Welcome to the CAM installation tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you how to set up the Axis M1011 network camera. First off, the cameras are pre-programmed, therefore installation is fairly simple. It requires a laptop computer, Axis camera, wireless internet, Ethernet patch cable, and a screwdriver. The first step is to connect the camera to the laptop. Plug the Ethernet cable into your laptop, then plug the other end into the camera. Then plug the power cord into the camera. Once the camera is plugged in, you will see the green light on the back of the camera, followed by an orange light on the front of the camera. The orange light means that the camera is booting up and will turn green when ready to connect. Once the light is green, open your Safari or Firefox browser. Note that issues may arise from using Internet Explorer. The default address for the camera is 192.168.0.90. You will type this address into your browser to access the control interface for the camera. The login for the camera is barspace, and the password is the last 6 digits of the camera serial number located on the box or on the back of the camera itself. Note that we will use lowercase characters. If the camera is not connecting when you go to this default address, refer to the supplemental guide provided for troubleshooting. So first we are going to go to Setup. Then down here we're going to go to Wireless. When you click this, the camera will detect what wireless networks are available. So as you see here, there's 3 in my area. But for today we're going to be connecting to LinkViv. It's the one at my house here. So once you click that, the SSID shows up here. Then it'll prompt you for the security type that the network requires. If it's different, you can select here. So it's either going to be the WPA PSK or a WEP. We have not seen this one yet, although it is a possibility. So for today, the WEP key, it's 64-bit because it's 10 characters, and it's this code here. If it were a WPA PSK key, it's most likely a passphrase, meaning that it's like the name of their dog or cat with some numbers in it as well. But for today, the WEP. So you save this, click Save here. It'll prompt you to say you may lose connection. Then now it's saved. Next, we're going to go to the Events tab and Event Servers. The camera is already programmed for this push server here, so we're going to select this, click Modify, and then we will change this to the camera ID that we tell you. The camera ID will be given to you prior to your installation. You click OK, and then you're all set. Now we will test the connection to the wireless network by unplugging the Ethernet cable from the camera. Once unplugged, the WLAN or wireless LAN network light will blink red, then blink green when connected to the network. If the camera doesn't blink green, then refer to the troubleshooting supplement we provided. Now that the camera is connected to the wireless network, log in to the venue's barspace page. Once logged in to the venue's profile, go to Camera Hours, then click Add New Camera. You can title the cam, we usually use main, enable the camera, and then go ahead and enable the hours of the current time that you are right now. So for example, today is Wednesday, and we're just going to run the cam all day right now. This way we can actually check the angle when the camera is connected. For the RTMP URL, use http://barspace.tv, and the RTSP URL will be push:// then the last 6 digits for the serial number of the camera, which in this case is A685ED. I will click Save. Now, the camera is active, and on the profile, you'll be able to view the camera in order to adjust the settings and the camera angle. Note that the database may take some time to update, so give the camera 5 minutes to connect. Finally, mounting the camera has two options. One is to use the hardware provided to screw the mount into the wall, and the other is the clamp option. We have found that only one screw is necessary as the cameras are very light. The bottom cover unscrews from the camera itself. Use one screw, place the cover back on, and then screw the camera back onto the base. This concludes our camera installation tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us or refer to the troubleshooting guide provided.